have our home. We change its name to home. Home, food, friends. They're not the same size, but let's say I play with this. Let's say I'm making this up, but let's say I did 50, 50. And let's say I did this 50, 50. And you go play with the different settings. You'll end up using this more than I do. Okay. Now, they're about even sizes, they should be, but they're not lined up nicely. So you can play with these. I think, is it this one or this one? No, that was not the right one. Undo this one. You see how it's aligned much nicer on top, although I would like to move this over. So you can play with it and get it to be more even.